வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி லெசன் 1. அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸை நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். பட்டினிக்கல்ட் இன் தமிழ்நாடு வாஸ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட் பை சேரன் செங்குட்டுவன். ஆப்ஷன் பி இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Which dynasty was not in power during the Sangam age? Option C, Pallavas is the correct answer. The rule of Pandyas was followed by dash. Option C, Calabras is the correct answer. The lowest unit of administration during the Sangam age was option C, Ur is the correct answer. What was the occupation of the inhabitants of the Kurunji region? Option C, hunting and gathering is the correct answer. Read the statement and take the appropriate answer. Assertion and reason. Assertion: the assembly of the poet was known as Sangam. Reason: Tamil was the language of Sangam literature. Option B, both A and R are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. Which of the following statements are not true? Option B, 1 and 3 are correct answer. The option A and C, statement 1 and 3 only correct. The ascending order of the administrative division in the ancient Tamilagam was. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct ascending order. Ur, Kuram, Nadu, Mandalam. This is the correct ascending administrative division order. Match the following dynasties with the royal insignia. A, Chera, Chola, Pandya. Chera fish, Chola tiger, Pandya bow and arrow. Option A is the correct answer. Match the following. First one, Tenar. The correct answer is Pandyas. The answer will be given in the below. The singing birds of the Sangam age were called Irulur. False. The caste system developed during the Sangam age. False. Keeler was the village chief. True. Pugar was the general term of city. False. Coastal region was called Marudam. False. The Battle of Veni was won by Karigalan. The earliest Tamil grammar work of the Sangam period was Tulkapiyam. Das built Kallanai across the river Kaveri. Karigalan. The chief of the army was known as Thanai Talaivan. The land revenue was called Irai. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Name any 2 literary sources of reconstruct the history of ancient Tamilagam. Tolkapiyam, Ettutogai and Pathupattu. What was Nattukal and Veerakkal? In ancient Tamilagam, the stones erected to commemorate the heroes who died in the battle of field are called Nattukal or Veerakkal. Name 5 Thinais mentioned in the Sangam literature. The 5 Thinais mentioned in the Sangam literature are Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Name any 2 archaeological sites related to the Sangam period. Adichanallur, Arikamedu. Name the 7 patrons. Kadayelu Ballal. The 7 patrons were Pari, Kari, Ori, Pagan, Adiyaman and Nalli. Name any 3 Tamil poetic works of Calabras period. Tamil Navalar Sarithai, Yapirunkalam, Periya Puranam. Answer the following. Discuss the status of women in the Sangam society. There was no reconstruction of women in social life. There were learned and wise women. 40 women poets had lived and left behind their valuable works. Marriage was a matter of self choice. However, chastity was considered the highest virtue of women. Sons and daughters had equal shares in their parent property. Women poets of Sangam age were Avayar, Velu, Velli Vetiyar, Kakai Pandiyar, பொன்முடியார். இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.